Yeah, so there is a proposal for a new casino that's to come in the Manipur. So the people have come to express their concerns regarding the casino. So they have asked us to basically in the upcoming council meeting present their requests and their demands to the council and to basically pass a resolution stating that Panjim would not like the casino in their. So we have agreed to, since they represent a portion of the city, we've agreed to put the appeal in front of the council meeting on the 12th regarding that.
So this is new casino or it is coming on the older license of the casino?
That I'm not aware of. See, but CCP has nothing to do with the issuing of license of any casino. That comes under various departments. CCP only grants a trade license to the offices that they have present on the land. That's about it. We have no other role in setting up a casino or anything like that.
But they have applied already for...
No, applying means they don't have to apply to CCP for a license, right?
No, for
but that, not yet. The boat has not come also, no? No. So only at the final procedure they will think.
Temporary shifting at this port.
I don't know, Baba, what the thing is also. No, we don't know. Yeah, it doesn't, like I said, no, it does not, anything that happens on the river does not happen, they don't have to intimate the corporation. It's only at the final stages of approval when they want to apply for a trade license for their offices or whatever, that is when they come for us.
CCP area bhitar येता नाही, so तुमका किती खबर?
Baba, see, water does not come under the CCP okay, at all. So the corporation has nothing to do with the issuing of licenses to any casino or anything like that. See, at most, all we do is collect the garbage which is paid for. So that is the only thing that the corporation does.
So all the casinos operating in Mandavi doesn't have...
Nothing has to do with the we don't issue licenses for them to operate on the river. The river is not even our jurisdiction at all. See, all of this comes under the home department, river navigation, all of those departments.
Captain of Force.
Captain of
Rohit, as a concerned citizen, and तुझं रोल किती? तुमचं रोल किती? As a concerned citizen,
See, as a mayor,
are you in the favor of casinos? New coming?
I don't gamble also. I don't like the habit personally. Okay. But now they are in the city also. I know they contribute a lot to the economy of the city also. That is the one reason people are tolerating it. There are issues that the casinos have that we have also. Parking is an issue. There are a lot of social issues also. But that should be corrected by the government also. So as a
CCP is capable to take the load of traffic in the city afterwards.
Baba, I cannot change the city is the size of the city only, how I can expand the city or anything like that.
Rohit,
Government has to make provisions for all of this.
Are you for casino or against casino?
Sorry?
Are you supporting casino or against casino?
See, personally, I don't-
concerned citizen of
Personally, I
As a
don't
mayor.
support this thing. Personally, it's my. I don't gamble and I don't like the habit also.
रोहित
It's
आणि
my personal thing.
आणि फुटपाथाचेर जे ते एक्सटेंड करतात जे आपले जे कन्स्ट्रक्शन आसा
Encroachment करून
एन्क्रोचमेंट केल्ले आसा
See, all of that,
फुटपाथाचेर
whatever they have applied now is within their thing. See, encroachment on the footpath now, most of it is again, all of that comes under jetty. That is under Captain of Ports and all. That is not under us.
But footpath comes under CCP, no?
But they have not encroached directly on the foot. See, they have not encroached anything. Whatever, if there is any direct encroachment, all we have taken action against all of them. So
No, but
whatever
at time of New Year and all, they do decoration on footpath.
the decoration,
Yeah, so that permission is given by CCP.
for decorations, all yeah, we will give permission. That is okay. That
But
we don't
encroaching footpaths?
Well, that decoration, everybody puts decorations on the thing when we don't sit and.
No, but if normal people go to
if people are inconvenienced
encroach,
and all, yeah. Then if we get a complaint and there are inconveniences and all, then we remove it immediately.
because now also for 14th Feb they have encroached footpath and they have
if there
set
are
up a
complaints and
decoration.
encroachments, we'll remove it. It's not a
You
problem
are
for
waiting
us.
for the complaint.
Yeah, we act on complaints,
पण लोक त्यांना गाडीवर पार्क केलं टूल त्यांना रोकडे फाईन मारतात CCP also.
Who?
CCP and traffic police.
We don't find, no.
So if anyone puts up stalls on footpath and unless and until you get a complaint, you won't have.
We say most of the time, if our staff go around or if people call and things, then we act on it.
Because it is on the main road.
I have not seen
This,
it.
casino.
They will remove it.
As
It's not a
per
problem.
Supreme Court order, I guess that
Cannot
encroach the footpath. There should be no cover.
So let me check and see. I'll check one, send one inspector.
Now
check
also
and
the
see if
14th
it's-
Feb decoration is there.
I've not seen, Baba. I just came at like 11 o'clock.
No, because it is blocking vegetation where...
Then we will remove it. It's not a problem. That's fine.
So आता तुम्ही लोकांकडे उत्तर दिलं
See, they had a request now to put it in our council meeting. So we will add the resolution to the council meeting.
When is the council meeting will be held?
On the 12th.
If they apply for trade license, will CCP allow them?
See, if they have no, now if it is within their rights to think, we cannot say no also now, no. That is our thing. That is what I'm trying to say. Okay?